Now this home is luxury. This property behind me is 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 5,019 square feet. You are in close proximity to downtown Houston. I want to give a huge thank you to Connected Realty and Aspire Fine Homes for letting us tour this beautiful new construction custom property. And some of the key features you're going to notice inside of here are going to be the acoustic wood slat ceilings in the formal dining room. You have quartz countertops, herringbone wood flooring throughout the property, and you are absolutely gonna love this one. Without further ado, let's get into it. All right, Rankin family, so this is the beautiful custom new construction property by Aspire Fine Homes. As you can tell on the exterior of the property, we have that white painted brick with plenty of windows for a ton of natural light, and you're definitely gonna see that. And you do have this beautiful double front door. And as soon as you walk in, the first thing you're greeted with is absolute luxury. So I'll do a pan so that way you can see the true beauty of this property. We do have herringbone wood floors right here throughout the property and upstairs as well. And just taking a look at how large this study is. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the openness inside of here. I absolutely love the furniture, the decor that they've put in here. They've really thought about luxury from every single key detail. So you have these double doors right here, the double French doors, and even looking at the brass chandelier as soon as you walk in, you absolutely love it. And this is going to be your formal dining room. You do have acoustic wood slat on the top of the ceiling. I think it just screams modernness and elegance without a doubt. And I'll make sure to pan every single inch of this house so that way you don't miss a thing. So we'll definitely go up the stairs a little bit later on in the tour, but I want to make sure that you see what's going on as far as if guests comes in here or things like that. You have these brass door handles right here, and this will be your powder bath. So I absolutely love the mirror framing. I love the quartz countertops inside of here. You have the floating countertops as well. Of course, that's your toilet, and I love that they put a window inside of here. All right, so we'll go ahead and go this way. So coming from the formal dining room, you will have your wet bar area right here, perfect for my wine drinkers, my alcohol drinkers. And even if you're not, I think it just adds a nice touch to the property. All right, so let's go ahead and continue our tour. This could be your breakfast area or an informal dining area right here, just depending on what you want to do with the decor. But you definitely have plenty of space because it does have that open concept that we so much love. Right here to the right will be your mudroom and your work study combo right here. So if you do want to have it as a workstation, that's perfectly fine. Or you could just have it as it is, just essentially nice decor. And then you do have your epoxy flooring inside of your garage. I love that you have quick access right there. That way you can go to the side of the yard. And let's continue our tour. The one thing you may not have noticed is that this is a pocket door. So that's perfect. It could separate. I love it. And then now we're heading into the beautiful kitchen. So look how gorgeous this is. So you have your quartz countertops, your oversized island right here. You have your breakfast bar that's perfect for the kids. And look how gorgeous this is. And so you may be wondering what kind of vent hood we have right here. We have a Venetian plaster vent hood. Absolutely fantastic. You have your 6-burner stovetop right here. Plus you have a little griddle area as well. Now this is fantastic. And to your backyard, you have two sets of double doors right there going to the backyard. You have your beautiful electric fireplace as well. I'll show you the backyard in a little bit, but right now what I'll do is pan so that way you can see how beautiful this place is. So really, I just love the open concept. I love the design. I think Aspire Fine Homes just did a fantastic job of every square inch of this property. And of course, you have your extended working pantry right here. So perfect. You have plenty of storage space. You even have your built-in microwave over here as well. Fantastic. And I love that the herringbone wood floors continues through every part of the property. So that's fantastic. And if you even notice, you have a quick access as well and some more double doors right here. But let's go ahead and take a look at the top of the property. And as we're going up the steps, of course, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Always great to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I am a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move out here. So if you are in that bucket now or in the future, you could reach out to the information below. And consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love for you to become a part of the Rankin family. And that way you know exactly when I drop a new video every week. So now we're entering the primary bedroom. Look how much space you have in here. Even the amount of windows that you have that adds a lot of natural light. I love that element. And you do have a king size bed with the two nightstands inside of here. You have the two chairs as well. I mean, you just have plenty of space. And I'll go to this corner as well so you can see every square inch of the property. Fantastic. This is just true beauty. This may be one of the best properties that I have brought to the channel. And then so you do have your vanity area over there with your his and her sink. You got tile flooring inside of here as well. You got your brass lighting fixtures again. This will be your toilet area right here. And look, you have your soaker tub right there. I love that you have the oversized windows so that way you can add more natural light inside of here. And you have this beautiful walk-in shower. Built-in floating shower bench right there as well. Just absolute gorgeous. I mean, this is just screaming modernness to me. And then look how large this primary closet is. You got plenty of drawers. And I didn't mention, but this home does include soft closing drawers, which is fantastic as well. So if you can just imagine any size wardrobe being able to fit in here comfortably without having to worry about space that you may need, this will accommodate it perfectly. So I absolutely love this. And we'll head back out. So of course that was the primary. Now I'll show you the utility room, which is right next to the primary bedroom. And this is what we're working with. So you have plenty of cabinet space for storage. You have your sink right here, stainless steel. And I love the brick-like backsplash back there as well. So you can fit any size washer and dryer that you may need inside of here. So we'll continue down this way, and I can't wait to show you the nice size game room. So you could utilize this one as a bedroom if you wanted to, but most people would utilize this as a game room. This will be perfect. You can put an L-shaped couch inside of here with the 85-inch TV and fit easily 10 people in here comfortably. So this will be your closet if you wanted to utilize this as another bedroom. This one doesn't have the door because it was meant to be utilized as a bedroom, or as a game room rather. And then this will be another bedroom right here. So you have your shower tub combo, your quartz countertops, and if you notice, the mirror extends all the way on top to the ceiling. And that's a key detail that I don't want you to miss whatsoever. Now this is fantastic. You have your shower niche right there, and this will be a nice size closet with the built-in storage space as well. If you notice, the brass handles continues inside of here, and I absolutely love the brass handles, especially with the color decor inside of here. It's fantastic. And this will be a Jack and Jill right here. So you have a nice size walk-in shower right here with the oversized glass door. You got your stainless steel shower head with the tile shower surround. And this will be connected to the other bedroom right here. You have a nice size walk-in closet. And so that bathroom does attach to the hallway. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But I just think they've done a fantastic job of the layout. I mean, the layout is just fantastic in here, even with the higher ceilings inside of here. It gives it that roomier feel, a lot more space. I think it's fantastic. And this one will have a bathroom attached to it. And then you have your quartz countertops inside of here again. You have the stainless steel mirror frame. I love the lighting fixtures as well. And then you have another nice size walk-in shower. And then that will be the closet again, very similar to the other one, but I just love that you have the built-in shelving space. All right. So that was the second floor of the property. And I'll show down here, this would be what you would see on the first floor. And I don't know if you got a chance to see this, but I definitely love this area right here. I love that they added this decor right here. So this would be a perfect spot, because if you think about it, when your guests come upstairs and they're going to the game room, that's a perfect place to put some nice decorations. And you have these oversized windows again, letting in plenty of natural light. I did turn on all the lights for you so that way you can see every part of the property. But just with the amount of windows that you have in here, you really wouldn't have to, essentially turn on the lights. So of course you have the double doors right there. And then we'll go to this set of double doors so that way you can see the yard space as well as the covered backyard patio. Perfect. So you got dual fans inside of here. You have your built-in grill over there. I love this. This is an entertainer's dream. The painted white brick extends over here to this exterior, and you have all the yard space that you can imagine. So this is perfect. It's on a 7,700 square foot lot. I mean, with the amount of space that you have inside the property, I think this is definitely adequate rather. And not to mention, you are in close proximity to downtown Houston. And that, folks, is the end of the property tour.